안녕하세요, 여러분. 제 이름은 김락준입니다. 저는 오늘 한국어 애드밴스 그래머 대해서 가르쳐 줄게요. Hello everyone, my name is Kim Lakjun. Today I will teach you about Korean advanced grammar. The pattern is Rel Thande. Ul Thande. Okay? Ul Thande. Okay. So let's learn about this pattern, and this pattern is called Ul Thande, and its a disclaimer is this is an ending of supposition. Supposition which shows speaker's speaker's assumption. It can be translated like maybe, or probably. Okay, and it also says ending, or so a region in the previous clause. Okay. Okay. So let's learn about how to use this pattern in Korean sentences. Let's take example first. The museum may be closed on Monday. Okay. So I will say in Korean, 월요일 월요일에는 박물관에 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 박물관이 문을 탄대. 닫았 닫을 텐데. Probably, right? There. Okay. Let's take second example. You may feel tired. Please take rest. Take a rest. Okay. So I will say in Korean. 피곤 하실 텐데. 피곤 하실 텐데. 하실 텐데 좀 쉬세요. 쉬세요. Okay. Let's take another example. It may be written with other column. Okay. So I will say this in Korean. धारण धारण 항목 달과 함께. हमके गीजे दुआओ इसल थंदे इसल थंदेयो. Okay. So I'll tell you now. I will explain you again. Okay. Whole grammar. Okay. Let me take another color. Okay. So okay. So today's date is Chilil. Okay. Korean advanced grammar. Today's grammar pattern is al thande. Al thande. It says. It says this is an ending of supposition which shows speaker's assumptions. It can be translated into maybe, probably, okay, in the sentence. It also says ending shows a region in the previous clause. Okay, there will be some region like maybe, probably, okay, region. Okay, so basic is this one region which shows in first clause. Okay, let's learn this one with the sentence again. This is first example. The museum may be closed on Monday. The museum may be closed on